Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide search from taskbar on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide search from taskbar in Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Personalization. Now scroll down. Now click on Taskbar here. You will find the first taskbar items, search, and you will find a drop down menu here and search box is selected by default. Just click on the drop down and click on hide. And look, now search box is hidden right now from taskbar. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.